It's just honey that like you get from a cliff. I'll start that over. It's just honey that like you get from a cliff and you eat it and you get stoned. It's crazy. So they're scooping that up and they're putting it in this little strainer made up of a straw basket, and that's dripping down. So what's in that bucket is gonna be the final product, minus all the wax and the bees. Just the good shit. All right, we can try some of this? All right, so we're eating the wax here. Wow, that's really sweet and tasty. It tastes like strong. You know, store-bought honey, it's sweet, but it doesn't have like that deep sort of like, kind of a smoky flavor to it almost, and like it burns your throat a little bit on the way down, but it feels good. It feels like I just took like a couple of hits of a joint. It's not super strong, it's not like knocking me out, I just feel like a little buzz, you know? And it's like, it's funny, as I'm like talking, it's actually getting like a little bit stronger.